Hello everyone, today I'm going to share my version of a Black Panther mask. Using a sponge loaded with metallic silver paint, I'm going to cover my eyes. Now with black paint, I'm going to go around the silver and create the cat eye shape. Here I've made the outline of the shape of my mask, and I'm going to fill that in with black. And to add some texture and interest, I'm going to stencil some silver paint on my forehead, nose, cheekbones, and the ears of the mask. For detail work, I'm adding 3 stripes at the center of the mask on my forehead, some fine lines starting with one across the bridge of my nose, some going over my eyes, some wider lines over the cheekbones, some thinner lines that are going into the bridge of my nose, then outline the entire mask in metallic silver. A few highlights on the mask. And over the eyelids. And this design is complete. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.